National anthem. Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Mr. Shimon Peres, former President of Israel, and King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand. Mr. Shimon Peres passed away on the 28th of September 2016 at the age of 93. A statesman who made bold efforts to achieve peace for his country and in the region, Mr. Peres earned widespread respect and many accolades, including the Nobel Peace Prize, for the values he stood for in public life. He was a visionary who strongly believed in the power of knowledge, innovation, and technology. Mr. Peres will be remembered for his lasting contribution to the promotion of bilateral ties with India. His death is an irreversible loss to Israel and its people, and also to the world at large. King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand passed away on the 13th of October 2016 at the age of 89 years. Throughout his 70-year reign, King Bhumibol was a unifying figure, deeply revered by the people of Thailand for his grace and compassion. A sagacious and charismatic leader, he played a pivotal role in shaping modern Thailand and in consolidating relations with friendly nations around the world, including India. His death is an irreparable loss to Thailand and its people. This House joins the bereaved families, the governments, and the people of Israel and Thailand in mourning the passing away of Mr. Shimon Peres and King Bhumibol Adulyadej, and conveys its heartfelt condolences to them in their hour of grief. Honorable members, I also refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Dr. A.R. Kidwai, Shri M. Shafiq Qureshi, Shri Govind Rao Ramchandra Mahasekar, and Shri Salil Kumar Ganguly, former members of this House. Dr. A.R. Kidwai passed away on the 24th of August at the age of 96 years. Born in July 1920 in Barabanki district of Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Kidwai was educated at the Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, the University of Illinois, and Cornell University in the United States. He was awarded the honorary doctorate of Vidya Vachaspati by the Institute of Tibetan Studies in 1997 in recognition of his contribution to Buddhist studies. An educationalist, a distinguished scientist and researcher, Dr. Kidwai took active part in the freedom struggle and the Quit India movement. Dr. Kidwai started his career as a research and development chemist at the Chemical, Industrial and Pharmaceutical Laboratories, Bombay in 1941, and rose to become the professor and head of the Department of Chemistry and as Dean of the Faculty of Science, Aligarh Muslim University, and Chairman of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Center for Biomedical Research, Delhi University. He served as the chairman of the Union Public Service Commission from 1967 to 1979. Dr. Kidwai was engaged in the field of education for over 35 years and played a pivotal role in reviving and developing the Nav Nalanda Mahavihara as an international center for advanced studies in Pali language and Buddhist studies. He made valuable contributions in modernizing the Khuda Bakhsh Oriental Public Library, reorienting the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata as a center for Indo-British cultural cooperation, and reactivating the Bhartiya Nritya Kala Mandir Patna as a leading center of performing arts. He also made significant contributions to modernize education in madrasas and integrating them with technical training. Dr. Kidwai served as the governor of many states of Bihar twice from 1979 to 1985 and again from 1993 to 1998, of West Bengal from 1998 to 1999, and of Haryana from 2004 to 2009. For his distinguished services to the nation, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2011. Dr. A.R. Kidwai represented the National Capital Territory of Delhi in this House from January 2000 to July 2004. In the passing away of Dr. A.R. Kidwai, the country has lost a noted educationalist, a distinguished parliamentarian, and an able administrator. Shri M. Shafi Qureshi passed away on the 28th of August 2016 at the age of 86 years. Born in November 1929 at Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Qureshi was educated at the Amar Singh College, Srinagar, and the Aligarh Muslim University. A lawyer, Shri Qureshi was associated with various cultural, social, and sports organizations. He was the secretary of the Law Society of the Aligarh Muslim University, president of the Geographical Society, the Badminton Association of India, and the All India Peace and Solidarity Organization, Jammu and Kashmir, and chairman of the Indian Cultural Institute, New Delhi, and Kho-Kho Association of India. Shri Qureshi started his legislative career as a member of the Rajya Sabha. He represented the state of Jammu and Kashmir in this House from May 1965 to January 1967. Shri Qureshi was also a member of the 4th, 5th, and 6th Lok Sabha. He served as a deputy minister in the ministries of Commerce, Steel and Heavy Engineering and Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, and Minister of Tourism and Civil Aviation in the Union Council of Ministers from 1966 to 1980. Shri Qureshi served as Governor of Bihar from 1991 to 1993, of Madhya Pradesh from 1993 to 1998, and of Uttar Pradesh from May to July 1996. He was also the chairman of the National Commission for Minorities from 2007 to 2010. In the passing away of Shri M. Shafi Qureshi, the country has lost a distinguished parliamentarian and an able administrator. Shri Govind Rao Ramchandra Mahsekar passed away on the 23rd of September 2016 at the age of 92 years. Born in December 1922 at Hadgaon in Nanded district of Maharashtra, Shri Maheskar was educated at Government College of Arts and Science, Aurangabad, Osmania University, and MP Law College, Aurangabad. An educationist by profession, Shri Maheskar worked in the field of education, rural development, health, etc. He was founder, life member, and trustee of several educational institutions. He was a member of the panel on Educational Administration Reorganization Committee of Maharashtra from 1962 to 1965. He was also a member of the Executive Council of the Marathwada University from 1968 to 1975, Panchayat Raj Evaluation Committee from 1970 to 1972, and State Planning and Development Council. Shri Govind Rao Ramchandra Maheskar represented the state of Maharashtra in this House from April 1976 to April 1982. In the passing away of Shri Govind Rao Ramchandra Maheskar, the country has lost a distinguished educationist and a noted social worker. Shri Salil Kumar Ganguly passed away on the 24th of September 2016 at the age of 91 years. Born in May 1925 at Mussoorie in Uttarakhand, Shri Ganguly was educated at Presidency and Vidyasagar Colleges, Kolkata, and Law College, Calcutta University. A lawyer by profession, Shri Ganguly was associated with several associations and workers' unions. He was a member of the Council of the Bar Association of India in West Bengal and Council of the All India Association of Democratic Lawyers. He was also the president of the Forward Seamen's Union and Federation of All India Jute Mill Staff Association. He also served as vice president of Bengal Motion Pictures Employees Union. Shri Salil Kumar Ganguly represented the state of West Bengal in this House from April 1970 to April 1976. In the passing away of Shri Salil Kumar Ganguly, the country has lost a veteran trade union leader and parliamentarian. We deeply mourn the passing away of Mr. Shimon Peres, King Bhumibol Adulyadej, Dr. A.R. Kidwai, Shri M. Shafi Qureshi, Shri Govind Rao Ramchandra Maheskar, and Shri Salil Kumar Ganguly. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Secretary General.
I beg to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi showing the bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 240th session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President.
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
I raise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 in today's list of business.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at item number 2 in the list of business for today, 16th November.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Statement regarding ordinance, Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Colleague Sri Rajnath Singh, I rise to lay on the table of the House a statement explaining the circumstances which has necessitated immediate legislation by promulgation of the Enemy Properties Amendment and Validation 4th Ordinance 2016.
Now, Okay. Allow me. Yes. Now, I will come to that. I will come to that. Okay, now please, please listen, yes.
Given the notice, other colleagues have given the notice.
Yes,
First hear
I am going to comment on that.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
I am going to react on that, yes.
sir.
Number of notices. See, number of notices have been received under, please, honorable members, number of notices have been received under 267 for suspension of the list of business today for a discussion on the issue of demonetization of currency. And I see that there is general consent for a discussion. In the, just now, the leaders meeting also, there was total consensus for a discussion. Government also informed that government is ready. There is no problem. Therefore, I am allowing the discussion to be taken up now.
Sir, you please tell us who gave the notice.
No, please.
Read out the notice in the
Oh.
order in which they gave this notice.
No, all,
No, all, sir. There are members who have given notice. Please, I would request you to please read out those members, all parties who have given the notice in the order these notices were submitted. In the order. Then after that we can follow any order. The biggest party will speak first. I really...
oh, that's all.
No, sir.
You,
There are notices
okay, what you want is that you want to know, that is all, that is all.
Which party have given the
Yes, okay.
Who has given the notice?
No, I agree.
Which order the
Sit down. Okay, no problem. No problem, but yes, I am agreeing. No problem, but I will read out the names of those who are given notice. There is no problem in that. But after that, we will start the discussion and we will follow the usual procedure of the discussion. That is number one. Number two also, I have to say one more thing. In any case, the discussion has to be over by 6 p.m. No, please. So I said... Oh, that means your suggestion is, what you are saying is, no, agreed. Your point is that if it is to be continued tomorrow? Even if continued, okay, that is okay.
There's no problem.
No, all right.
There's no problem.
I will take the, see, I will take the concerns of the House then. Sit down. At that point of time, Sunaye, I am considering to you then.
यूपी के चुनाव को देखते हुए
अरे अब तो डिस्कस अभी मत बोलो नहीं अभी डिस्कशन नहीं शुरू हो गया बैठिए डिस्कशन नहीं शुरू हो गया नरेश जी नो अभी सुनिए बैठिए डिस्कशन नहीं शुरू हो गया फिर क्यों बोलते हैं अब बैठिए आई विल रीड सिट डाउन नो डिस्कशन नहीं शुरू हो गया बैठिए डोंट डिराइल Naresh, please don't derail. No discussion now. I am going to read out the, see, I am going to read out, sit down, read out the names. Read out the names who have given the note. You want me to read all the 267 notices or only on this subject? On this subject, eh? I am going to read the notices received on this subject, that is demonetization. That is, there are first 2 notices which are other subjects, so I am not reading it out. Now, number 2, that is the first notice on this subject, Sri Derek O'Brien. Subject is inconvenience caused to common people due to hasty demonetization. Second, next is Anand Sharma, social and economic fallout due to demonetization of currency and hardships suffered by citizens. Sri D. Raja, situation arising out of the demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency notes in the country. Sri Sharad Yadav, demonetization of currency notes of 500 and 1000 by the government causing lot of hardship to every person in the country. Sri Naresh Agarwal, decision of the government to demonetize rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency note. Sri Sitaram Yechuri, social and economic fallout due to demonetization of currency and hardship suffered by citizens. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rapalu, ongoing chaos following drastic precautionless institutions impairing demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 currency. Sri Premchand Gupta, unplanned demonetization of currency notes of 500 and 1000 by the government causing lot of hardship to every person in the country. Now, Vishwambar Prasad Nishad, the same subject. Sri Satish Chandra Misra, problems due to demonetization. Sri Pramod Tiwari, same subject. These are the notices. No, 1 second. What are the same
Sir,
subject?
one request.
Two more SS, two more notices. One on the same subject. Number one, Sri Kiranmanda Nanda. Sorry, Kiranmay Nanda. Second is TK Rangarajan. Let me complete. TK Rangarajan. As I already said, we will start the discussion now because there is total concern. And there, no, let me complete. Therefore, the list of business as notified today in the list of business stands suspended. Suspended.
Sir, I have one request. Completely agree with you that should we go in the order, like the Congress will speak first, etc. like that.
Yeah.
My request from my party is, sir, because we have a meeting with the Rashtrapati ji, so I am scheduled to speak number 4. Could that be put on pause? I will speak at a later time. That is all I'm trying to say. That's
That is
all.
okay.
Thank you.
Now, so we start straight away discussion. Sri Anand Sharma to initiate discussion. Sri Anand Sharma. Give. Those who speak should give the name within, within half an hour.
Taking place under 267.
Pardon?
Yes. That is what my understanding is.
Yeah.
267.
I am not hearing.
Notices. Yes, that's what our
Debate
understanding.
is, the debate, the notice which we have given is under Rule 267. Sir.
So I accepted that and so 267 notice is accepted. Accordingly, I have suspended the list of business for today. That I already gave the ruling. Already the ruling is given. Yeah. Now, those who would like, 1 second, those who would like to speak should give their names within half an hour. I know the subject came just now, but within half an hour the name should come.
लेकिन जिन्होंने नोटिस दी है उन सबके नाम
Ungo, yeah.
ऑटोमेटिक
Yeah. When their party turn comes, they will be called, no problem. Yeah.